Healthcare is a very big issue in the country right now, and as it keeps evolving, trying to find a doctor that fits your philosophy can be a bit of a challenge. Joining me now is our sponsor, Dr. Joel Mascaro from Regenesis Wellness Center, to talk about the practice of family medicine in the 21st century. Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Stephanie. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you very much. I know that Regenesis has a wellness component to it, but can you explain completely what Regenesis is and how patients benefit from that program?
Regenesis means rebirth, reborn, rejuvenate. The practice of medicine in the 21st century was something of an aspect of you have a disease and you're treated for that disease. What I think the correct path to go down is to find out why you have the disease and then fix it. So it's a matter of listening to the patient, finding out from what they say, make a diagnosis, and then treat it.
So getting to the root of the problem is what I'm hearing. And so that's one way that you're different. How else are you different from other medical practices?
Well, because we actually take the time to listen. I think people out there are a victim of the 7-minute visit, Stephanie, which means by the time the doctor walks in, notwithstanding they've been in the waiting room now for an hour and a half, they get 7 minutes to find out what's going on. How can anyone figure out what's wrong with that patient in 7 minutes? So, first of all, that doesn't happen at Regenesis. People have appointments, we honor them. We stay far more than 7 minutes until they're finished really asking the questions that they need to. So it's more of an aspect of letting them tell you what's wrong and then listening to them.
Communication.
Yes.
So people that like that communication would benefit from your practice. But who else are you finding is really gelling with your philosophy? I
think it's, no matter what the age is, I think that people are actually looking for options to treatment. The prescription medicine is not necessarily our first option. Now, being a DO, which is an osteopathic physician, we're looking to incorporate a more natural approach to therapy. There are people out there who are toxic from prescription medicines. I have people coming to me with 12 or 13 medicines, some of which are given to counteract the side effects of one prescription to another. So there are other options out there. People are looking for them, and at Regenesis, we hear them.
And when you hear them, what are they saying that they want in a medical center, in addition to kind of that communication and that one-on-one approach and getting to the core of their problems?
Well, first of all, they need somebody who's experienced. And, we have years, decades of experience in how to handle people. And it's a matter of letting them tell you what's wrong and then beginning a program that they can buy into. I mean, buy into logistically, philosophically, not necessarily financial. So we have a program where it lets them have equity or ownership in their treatment. And I think that's huge because people want to know other ways of doing things about their health.
And they want to feel empowered, and it sounds like that's what you aim to do in your practice.
Yes, we do.
Thank you so much for coming on and talking about this different way of approaching wellness and our health. If you would like to learn a little bit more, Regenesis Wellness Center is located in Scottsdale. The address right there on your screen at 9500 East Ironwood Square Drive, Suite 126. The phone number is 480-443-0004, and you can go online at www.regenesiswellness.com. We also want to mention that there's going to be a seminar where you can learn more information about the physical and emotional aspects tied to weight loss. That's going to be held on December 8th at 6 o'clock. You do need to call to reserve your spot at the phone number right there on your screen, 480-443-0004. You'll find that seminar located at Comfort Inn in Scottsdale at Scottsdale Road and Gold Dust.